Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to get your profile link right here on Telegram. So now I open my Telegram app. Next, we will go to the menu page. Just tap on this icon right here. And then right here on menu page, you can see my profile. Just tap on my profile. It will then direct you here. So now what we're going to do is just to tap on these three dots right here. So now we basically set a username for our Telegram. You can use any username that you want. So next, after that, just tap on check right here. You can now see your username right here on your profile. This username will set as your profile link. Now tap again on the three dots at the top. And then you can see right here, copy link to profile. By copying the link to your profile, you can now get your profile link. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!